Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm talking about Nio stock, and first of all, before I go to this bullish article, I want to thank Chester, the Nio investor at Chester Invest. So shout out to him on Twitter for sharing this article. But it's an article by Gasku, and it's talking about a partnership between JSC and Nio, which they have already made a car together before, and that car is actually called the Hycan 007, and that car is actually it hit the market on April 2020, so just recently. And this car sells from, like, the price range is 259,000 yuan to 400,000 yuan, so 39,000 US dollars to 60,000 US dollars. And I'm not really a fan of the design of this car because it looks so much like an ES6, to be honest. The only difference is just the lights. It looks like a 7. That's what JSC is known for, right? They are known for their 7 shaped LED daytime running lights, which you can see on this AR18 concept car that they're unveiling soon. Very similar to that. This is just the sedan version of this car, this SUV right here. But this AR18 concept car is supposed to be unveiled soon, so definitely be on the lookout. This is gonna happen on November 20th, so this Friday. So definitely, I wanted to give you guys this information ahead of time, so if you guys can have some time to invest into this company before this event takes place. And because if people are impressed by this car, I can see the stock going up just because of this partnership. It's a partnership. It's going to make Nio money because they're working together. So this is good news for you Nio holders. Before I go on to the rest of the video, if you're new to investing for some reason, there's 2 links in the description of my videos. One's from Webull and the other one's from Robinhood. Check them out. You guys can literally get free stocks. And if you want to get up to 3, it used to be you can only get 2, but if you want to get 3 free stocks, you just deposit $100, and that's it. You just sign up Webull, and yeah, you can get started investing with 3 stocks that are valued between $15 to $20 each. And if you get lucky, you can get like a Facebook share or Apple share. But yeah, definitely take advantage of that. Now, I do want to talk about the recent price action leading up to earnings report for Nio. We are in the green right now. We're 3% up right now in the pre-market, so that's good news. We're hovering around like $47 a share, and the RSI indicator right now, we're actually not in the oversold or overbought territory, so we're just down the middle, so that's good news. So the price should be able to run up freely as we're approaching the earnings report, which should be in the middle of the day today. So that's coming up, guys. Now, I wanted to share this trading view post from the community, and it's basically just confirmation. He's saying that he's telling you guys, or the community, to set your alerts at today's highs and low, and also if it breaks with volume, expect it to continue on the target set on that side of the break. Basically saying that he expects the stock to go up to this upper target of $50, around there. So it's gonna, and the lower target that he set was at $35. So I don't think it's gonna retrace back down to 35. There's not gonna be enough selling pressure for it to go below 40, trust me. But I do see it, if something bad happens with earnings report for some reason, I do see it fall a little bit below $45, $44, and head back to that support level of $41, which was way previous support level that we've had before with this company. But like I said, that's only if something goes wrong or whatever, but I don't think that's going to take place. I think that Nio is going to deliver better than expected results, just like Xpeng. So Nio probably won't be profitable yet, at least, but they will deliver good results when it comes to gross margin and stuff. So that means that the stock is still going to go up regardless, and it's going to push other EV stocks as well, like Li Auto and also Xpeng Motors, to go up, just like when Xpeng went up on their earnings report. Nio went up as well, a lot. All these companies moved up together in the green. And another thing I want to mention is this guy did the Fibonacci retracement, and on his chart he said that Nio is reclaiming the 382. So he says that we maintain at this price range, building consolidation right here, that because Nio reclaimed the 382 RT, it needs to hold right here in the green box for a bullish continuation above $45. So intraday trade only, and earnings are coming up. Dangerous stock due to massive range. So he just set a massive range, basically saying that the price will be volatile and it's going to range between 43 to $45 leading up to earnings, but he expects that if we continue right now consolidating at these prices, that we're going to shoot up to above this. We're going to hold above $45, which is the target, is to hold above $45 $46. So right now that I don't know why it shows Lee right here on the side right here, but you guys know I'm talking about Nio, of course. Let me look up the Nio ticker. Sometimes when I'm looking at different companies, like different ticker symbols, for some reason it mixes them up on TradingView, and that's the only complaint that I have with using TradingView. But anyway, I just love TradingView because of the community, guys. If you guys want to see these kind of analysis by other investors and what they think about the stock that you're trading, definitely go on here and look up the ticker symbol of the company that you're trying to search, and you'll see that people are posting, you know, stuff relating to where they think the price is going to go and stuff for these companies. But yeah, let me remove this one just so I don't confuse you guys. But basically, Nio right now, and it's in the pre-market, it's up 3%. Like I said, we should be holding above $47. That's the target right now. Another thing I want to mention is this screenshot right here, guys. Definitely pause this and read it if you guys don't want me to, you know, go on for like an hour trying to read this paragraph out. It's literally like a page out of a book or something. But basically, the more important things here that I found was that on last Friday, November 13th, you know, there was some notable buying of 89,886 contracts of the $50 calls expiring on Friday, November 20th. So option traders are pricing in a 22% move on earnings, and the stock has averaged a 18% move in recent quarters. So this should be good news. People are expecting the stock to go up because of earnings. So, you know, even though people expect the stock to you know, to kind of hold around 47 to 50, that's going to be most people's you know, estimate, or I guess sentiment of where it's going, because the consensus estimate is for a loss of 17 cents per share on revenue of $628 million, and the earnings whisper number is minus 12 cents per share. So it's basically saying that the investor sentiment is going into the company's earnings release has 74% of investors expecting an earnings beat, and that the company's guidance was for revenue of $573 million to $596 million. So yeah, overall, the stock is still performing very well quarter over quarter and year over year. Also, month over month in delivery, sales, and revenue is doing better than ever, guys. And again, another post I want to share with you guys that is sort of bullish, but one of the largest banks out there in the world, Deutsche Bank, this one released this research paper about Nio, and about it has to do with Tesla and their price target, or price war. I mean, I keep confusing things. My bad, guys. It's actually 3 a.m. for me. And this is Pacific time. I live in Oregon, so yeah, it's pretty late for me. But I'm making this video for you guys because I appreciate you guys supporting me and stuff. Go ahead and pause through this so you can read it more carefully. It's titled Tesla Price War, and it just talks about how Tesla's halo effect is affecting other EV companies and stuff, and boosting companies sometimes. The font is very small, but you can zoom in through your phone and read it better. I might actually retweet it so that you can see it, and if you follow me, you'll be able to just read it off entirely. So Striker X tweeted out saying, wondering if earnings report can send this into the $60-$70 range today, and can't wait for this beast to open as Tesla now is in the S&P 500, hoping Nio can run hard also. Yeah, and I agree with that. I think that Nio is probably going to move up also because Tesla is doing that as well. But yeah, another just recap of what's going on here on the list of top 25 automakers by market cap, but Nio's actually number 6, so it was trying hard to stay in the top 5, but it couldn't. It lost to BYD and Mercedes, but I do expect Nio to move up here, especially when Nio starts pricing around $70 to $80 a share. Nio's definitely going to be in the top 5, probably going to be number 4, and it's going to be cool to see 2 EV makers right there in the top 5 in market cap and everything. So it's good news. So this is a post I want to share from Twitter, but Matthew Park said, I think Nio will hit $60 on Wednesday after earnings. Institutional ownership was increased by 50% on Friday, while the Robinhood investors were selling out of fear because of Citron. Institutional investors were buying up the shares like crazy. So what do you guys think about this? Basically, Institutional shares went up 50%, as you can see here. It's circled, and institutional value is equal to around $11 billion, because it's in thousands, right? It's 11 million, but times 1,000, so that's 11 billion. So there's 492 institutional owners. Like I said, that's good news, guys. A lot of institutional buyers are getting into this EV sector, and they're actually buying EV companies up like crazy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Definitely leave a like and comment on it if you found it useful. Again, links in the description for free stocks. Also, subscribe to my channel to stay updated for future videos. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.